Objective number 2 states, describe the factors that define an organism's ecological niche within its community. Now, habitat is its address, where it lives and reproduces. Its ecological niche is the role that it plays in its community, and that includes its habitat as well as how it interacts with other organisms. It's its job or its profession. There's the fundamental niche, which is all the conditions under which that organism can survive. But the realized niche is the set of conditions under which it exists in nature. Um, the niche is going to depend on things like competition or availability of resources. Um, those kinds of things will go into determining the organism's ecological niche. Right here you're looking at the feeding niches for water or wading birds. And you can see over there on the right, you've got those little plovers that dart around on the beaches and they look for insects and small invertebrates and in the grasses on the beaches. Then you've got the oyster catchers that will find bivalve shells and pry them open and also probe around in the sand for worms and crabs. The avocets in the middle eat the insects and little marine invertebrates and seeds. And they do this by swiping the bill back and forth in the water from side to side. Then you got the dabbling ducks, and they're going to tip their tail up and go down in the water to find aquatic plants and seeds and snails and insects. And then you got the big tall flamingo that also sticks its head in the water, and it eats mollusks, crustaceans, and any vegetable matter that they strain out of the mud, because they've got these powerful tongues that'll force it out of their mouths. So all of these live near the water's edge, but they all have different niches. Their habitat is near the water's edge, but their niche, how they get their food and how they interact with other organisms, that varies from organism to organism.